Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. This time around, I'm going to be showing you several of the tips and tricks I've accumulated over the last several years teaching and customizing Bluebeam Revu. Some of the biggest time savings you can find in the settings. So we're going to go up to Review, go to Preferences, and we're going to look at some different settings in here and how they might save you some time. I'm going to go down to Admin, and on the Options tab here, this is where you can set your set Bluebeam Revu to your default PDF viewer. So you're going to click on here. It's going to open up your settings, and you can go ahead and do a search for PDF. And in here, you're going to set your default to Review. And then anytime you get an email or anything, you double click on a PDF, it's going to open it up in Review like we want it to. So that's that button. And then also while we're in here, once in a while, you'll want to, once you have all these settings in here, you're going to want to back that up, save that in case anything ever happens. You can restore those. You can come back to the settings that you had. So that's in there. That's it for the preferences. And that should bring us right up to the end. I hope you've captured some good notes with these time-saving tips and tricks you can apply immediately to your workflows this afternoon. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.